Hi guys, it's Kyne. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I have to give you all a big thank you because we made it into the top 20 for the NYX Face Awards and it's all due to your votes. Let me tell you right now, it feels so annoying for me to be posting on my Instagram stories. Please vote for me. Please vote for me every single day for the past week. But that's kind of what you gotta do in these situations. If you can shamelessly promote yourself, how in the hell are you gonna shamelessly promote somebody else? But you know, there were some really good artists in the top 30 and a few of my really close friends who didn't make it into this round. So I'm really grateful for this opportunity and grateful for the support that I have from you guys. I'm so lucky to have you all on my side and cheering me on. If you haven't already seen my top 30 challenge video, it was the Power of Makeup one. It was a three-headed circus ringmaster from a couple of videos back. Guys, that shit took me the entire 2 weeks to create. Like, that jacket I made from scratch. I had to get a fabric for the curtains and I had to do makeup on 3 different heads. I have back here a practice mask that I made while I was like still perfecting the technique. I totally have no use for this. I just like keeping it around because it creeps people out when they come in here. If you're interested in seeing more behind the scenes stuff, check out my Instagram, onlinekyne. I have one of my stories highlighted on my profile for you to go check out. Anyway, this video is all about unboxing the 2 new boxes that they sent us for this challenge round. They put our faces here on this box, which is really cool. I like how I'm the only one smiling and showing any expression, but that expression looks like I have anal fissures, so that was a great choice. We have here, congratulations, your outstanding creativity and artistry earned you a spot in the 7th Annual Face Awards Top 20. We can't wait to see what you create in the second challenge. Sidebar, do you love my nails? I recently put them back on for the first time in like literally months. I haven't worn them since I had school for so long, which made it hard to type assignments with long nails. And then right after I got off school, I had my wisdom teeth done and I couldn't really have long nails then. But now I'm reminded of how much I miss them, but also how I can't pick my nose anymore, so there's pros and cons. Okay, the first package here in the top is marked Specialty, which last time was a bunch of face paints, so let's see if they send us that again. Oh wow, so we have here some more face paints just like they sent us last time, but they also sent us now their Vivid Brights cream colors. I've tried their Vivid Brights eyeliners before, which is like a liquid liner, but these are in a cream formula, which I haven't tried. And also their Primal colors, which I have tried, and I really like these. Next, let's open up the box for face. They sent us a bunch of glitters and pigments, which you know I am the queen of glitter. And I've only tried a few of their colors. I've tried this multicolored crystal one, but I don't think I've tried any others. I'm excited to use these. I've never heard of this product. This is the First Base Primer Spray. Here we have the Honey Do Me Up, which looks like a face oil. Honey Primer, so I guess it's a primer. Pro Foundation Mixer, so I guess these are like colors that you can mix in with any sort of foundation in case you have something that's too light or too cool toned and you need to make it darker or warmer or cooler. When I first started wearing makeup, the foundation that I was wearing was so orange, oh my god. And my friends were all like, Kyne, that's your match, when I was like at the store buying it with them. Clearly they did not like me. These are the Away We Glow Liquid Boosters, which is another thing. It looks like you add to your foundation to make it not necessarily a different color, but just more glowy, like it adds like some sparkle to your foundation, which is cool. I'm actually excited to wear these like to the club. I usually never wear boy makeup, but on like special occasion, I'll take the NYX Total Control foundation and like mix it with moisturizer and like slather it on my face. Let me know if you'd like to see my boy makeup routine. You'd probably laugh at how simple it is. You guys, I am a natural beauty and I have no flaws to cover up. I've been getting lots of compliments on my skin recently, which thank you so much. I know you guys all mean them in the best ways, but I've been beautiful since day one. Please. Next, let's open up lips. So the first thing I see here is some lip pencils. Here they have soft matte metallic lip creams in a bunch of color. I feel like if it's metallic, shouldn't you not call it matte anymore? They could have called it soft metallic. Get it? They need to hire me right now. And then finally, some of their Cosmic Metals lip cream, which is like fully metallic. These have like glitter in them. I've tried a few of these before. It looks really glittery, but after a while, it kind of just like dies down to a very glossy finish, which I tend to like that a little bit better than the sight of those small little individual glitters. Oh, right, then we have the eyes box. Okay, so they have given us a shitload of false lashes, which they paired with this Duo Lash Glue. These holographic halo cream eyeliners. We have this small smoky eye palette and 2 of these perfect fitted eyeshadow palettes. looks like a warm one and a cool one. And then they sent over a bunch more glitters and pigments. Okay, so then the last box of makeup from NYX Professional Makeup is labeled tools. Okay, so they sent us more of these beauty wedges, which I used all of these up making that latex mask, so I'm happy for this. A lot more brushes. It looks like these are from like a different line because they're like silver handle and white bristles. It's giving me very, what was that movie? Lizzie McGuire. Hey now, hey now. You have the teardrop foundation sponge and a little makeup bag. Oh, and Be Gone makeup remover wipes. I go through makeup wipes like toilet paper, so I can never have enough. Thanks again to NYX Professional Makeup for all of this makeup. It will be put to very good use. So now let's open up the sponsor box. Face Awards. We hope you enjoy these goodies brought to you by NYX Professional Makeup and our amazing sponsors. Find your sponsors on Instagram, hashtag NYX Cosmetics, hashtag Face Awards. From Kitsch, which was the hair company from last time, congratulations on top 20. We have here an elevated hair towel and an elevated shower cap. This is cute. I'm gonna try this on. I've always found like hair towels so intriguing and I would always try to copy whenever my mom would do this. And I was never able to do it. Is it still the same way? Like you twist it and just throw it up? Is this supposed to just like flop on here? There's a little elastic here. I feel like I'm supposed to attach that to something. Oh wait, no, there's a little thing in the back to attach the elastic to. I get it. Okay. I feel like I'm about to read somebody's fortune. By the way, I'm on the lookout for hints. Last time, I was the one who clocked the hint that the theme was about power. Roll the tape. Leave your mark and make your power play. So is it something like related to power?
Your first challenge is the power of makeup.
I want to find out what the challenge is before they announce it. This next one is from Redken. Shift your look into high gear. If you use these styling products, winning will be a steal, which is spelled S-T-E-E-L. Girl, is this like about cars? Or what if it's about racing, like drag race? If it's about cars, I don't know what I would do. All I know about is like red car, blue car. Anyway, they give us here Hardware 16 Super Strong Sculpting Gel, thickening lotion, and finally, thermal holding spray. I don't really use heat protectant on my hair. I feel like my hair is just like that bitch and doesn't need it, but I will definitely make use out of these things. Thank you, Redken. In honor of earning the spot in the 2018 Face Awards Top 20, please enjoy this gift from your sponsor, Target. They've given us hydrating seaweed bath, an exfoliating body sponge. Oh, and here we have amaze balls. These look like bath bombs. Each bath fizzer, it has a surprise inside. A toy surprise inside. Okay, so here's a box from Clarisonic. Oh my god, they sent over a bunch more brush heads. You guys, I told you in my last unboxing video, because they sent us a Clarisonic, that I already had one with a really old crusty brush head. I started using it again though, because they sent us more brush head. And now I have, what, another 6? I can't add. 7 brush heads. It's gonna last me a long time. Thank you to Clarisonic. Okay, who is this from? Rewind, playback. This is from Audio Network, which is the, they're providing the music that we use in our videos. Only got a few more things left in here. Actually, I think only one. Vichy Mineral 89. I opened up a Vichy box last time, had some things to say, but you guys, I actually tried out the little hyaluronic acid in it, and it actually feels so good. I like putting it on every morning. Oh wow, so it looks like this is this exact same stuff that they sent us last time. We have their micellar cleansing water, hyaluronic acid, makeup wipes, and this little like thermal water mist. Oh. I don't really know what it does, but it makes me feel fancy. Thanks, Vichy. Whatever the theme is, I hope it's something fierce because I, more than wanting the cash prize, I want to show you guys what I'm made of and what I can do. So I hope you guys are still Team Kyne. Our official theme will be announced June 4th, I believe, and then our challenge videos will go live like 2 weeks after that. I'll put all the dates down in the description, and if you follow me on Instagram, you will know exactly when everything is going on. as it goes on. So be sure to follow me over there. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you're all doing well. You know, I had a really good day today. Even aside from all of this free stuff I just came into, I was having a really good day. I was doing some errands and driving around. I decided to take the scenic route and I was listening to Walking in Memphis. Do you ever just have those moments where you like look back and think like, my life is really good? I had one of those moments in the car today and I hope you are having those moments all the time. I think Cher just does that to me. I know I'm not the biggest channel that you watch on YouTube or that I'm the best seamstress or best makeup artist. I'm far from being the best at anything, but I'm happy with my life. I feel like I walk with purpose. A little bit existential for a little unboxing video, but I don't know, I'm just happy. I think there's no other way to live your life. I hope you guys are all really happy too. That's what I mean when I close off every video with I hope you're all doing well. I really sincerely mean it. So thanks for watching, thanks for the support. I feel all the love right now and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.